Standard First, English Medium. Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 8. Understand and write 2. Students, do you know about our body parts? Can you tell me? We have eyes, legs, hands and ears. Now tell me, how many eyes we have? 2, right? We also have 2 ears, 2 legs and 2 hands. Whenever we are working, we always use our 2 hands. Like when our mother works in the kitchen, she uses her both hands. How many horns cows and buffaloes have? 2. Very good. So, in this chapter, we are going to understand 2. Open your book. Tell me, what is in the first picture? How many horns this animal have? 2. Right. How many earrings we wore? 2. Very good. Now, we have already learned about 1. 1 and 1 makes 2. Sing a song with me. 2, 2, 2. 2 ears have a rabbit and 2 eyes too. So, fill the blank place with 2 beautiful pictures. We have 2 o'clock in the clock. We always have 2 sleepers. So, everybody understood the importance of 2? Now, practice the 2 in the book. Draw 2 circles and 2 squares in the box.